Did you know that wombats are the only animals on Earth that produce cube-shaped poop? That's right. These adorable Australian marsupials poop perfect little boxes, and scientists have finally figured out exactly how they do it. Prepare to have your mind blown. First, wombats produce an insane amount of these cubic droppings, up to 100 perfect little cubes every single day. Each one is about the size of a marble, roughly 2 centimeters across. That's not a typo. 100 cube-shaped poops, every single day. Here's where it gets wild. The secret is in their intestines. Wombat intestines are 33 feet long, nearly 10 times their entire body length. As food travels through for 4 times longer than in humans, the intestines have alternating stiff and flexible regions that squeeze the poop like a sculptor, molding it into perfect cubes. The magic happens in the last 17% of their intestine. Scientists discovered that 2 stiff zones and 2 flexible zones contract over 40,000 times as the poop travels through. These contractions gradually sharpen the corners, creating those razor-sharp edges. It's like nature's own 3D printer. And here's the craziest part. Wombats use these cubes to communicate. They place them strategically on rocks and logs as territorial markers. The cube shape prevents them from rolling away, unlike round poop. So wombats literally engineered the perfect shape for marking their territory, nature's geometry at its finest. Want to learn more mind-bending facts like this? Visit Sikho.ai for endless fascinating discoveries.